Hello guys, today we're gonna see um how to remove ads on Amazon Prime Video. This is really easy and we're gonna go to our account on Amazon Prime, and right here we're gonna find our profile icon. Once we click this button, we're gonna find this option called account and settings. We're gonna click this option. And right here, we're gonna see this label called as free. We're gonna click right here, this button called go ad free. And then we're gonna see information about unsubscription. And we're gonna click this button right here called sign up and pay to free or cancel your ads. Okay, it's really simple. You need to pay obviously, but it's really good. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.